documentation, continuing the fitness journey maski pa diit-diit kahit paunti-unti. Let's start with my work, what my daily life is. Anong routine kang daily life? So work, money.com, clients, WhatsApp for communication. As you can see, you're the best friends. Yeah, just doing my job. So our pre-workout meal, 1 tray egg, 5 days ko lang naubos kaya mataba na ako. And then mayonnaise and boiled egg. We have our calories, protein. Wala man akong idea talaga, proper knowledge. Just eat what I have. Lol. Minsan makaumay na. Ang namin kang mula. And then let's go to workstation, to my gym, home DIY gyms. I have my barbell here, 2 dumbbells, and a cat, and of course music. Beside physique, model, seasonal, and my current physique. Super mataba pa. At least may medyo visible naman ang abs. 2 packs, 4 packs. May bicep na diet. May tricep naman na medyo visible. Somehow may progress. Mga Shopee finds. This is 50 kg. I can bend it. You wanna see it? You guys wanna see it? That's a 50 kilogram. And then TikTok shop. Sabi pang chest na yun. That's why I bought it. I think it's good. And my sister's working also. There she is, speaking the language. Speaking our national language. Joke lang. Shopee find. First time doing this video, so I don't know how to do it. Well, it's for me man lang, so documentation ko malang ini para sa ko. It's been 2 months na. It's been 2 months. Let's flex kitang liit. From taba choy to medyo visible, pero mataba pa, na belly fat pa. I'm gonna get rid of it. Alag pa lang kayo mo ko. So that's it. It's January 22. Birthday pala ni Kuya. Siguro update ako next month naman. Kabasa ko sa bunay. And that's it. By the way, may gawa kitang something na suporta sa back. Isa kayong kulog sa lower back. Kaya let's give it a try. Hindi pisil. Nag-video. Curls. Hammer. So, just doing random stuffs with available resources na iba.